everyone, my name is Cristina and today I'm going to tell you or maybe tell you how to cut in pineapple. First, we will cut off the head and the root or the stem. And make sure you cut it clean off. You see, if you see this kind of thing, that means you didn't cut deep enough, so you'll have to cut it again. Now this is okay. So I'm just going to cut the stem. Then you will cut the pineapple's skin, or we'll have to peel it off with a knife, like this. Then when you cut the skin up, if you see these are called eyes. Eyes, the body part, this part. You will have to cut it again. That means you didn't cut deep enough. But make sure, if you have too much size and it became a hexagon or a hectagon, that means you cut it too much. So I'm just going to make sure that all the eyes are out, and I'm just going to put these in there. And keep cutting them out. But sometimes they will not come off and you'll have to use some of your string. Then when I'm finished, I'm just going to take these skin to this bowl. Oh, come on. And please make sure that all the eyes are off, because they won't taste good. And if you still see eyes, just cut them off. Like this. Then you cut the pineapple in half. Then flat side down and cut it in half again. Then you can see if you want to cut the core out. If you want to cut the core out, do like 45-degree angle cut, like this. Then you will have a nice core. Then you just cut it like this. Then you can have finely shaped pineapples. And I'm just going to put them in here. And another cut. but make sure the fruit you are cutting is not rotten, or else your whole family will get sick. Then the other piece, I will do the same. Then please remember, don't cut your fingers off, because your dad and mom will not want to see your fingers cut off. And it is really painful. And another fork. And I'm finished. But please remember, don't wash them, or else they will bite your tongue. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
OK，然后那个皮的，请你不要放在那边当香瓜。
他不想暂停，
他不想暂停，
他暂停不了啊。
哪来的？什么东西不能暂停？
我刚按到，不小心按到他就。
Hello everyone, my name is Cristina and today I'm going to tell you how to cut a melon. First, you will need a peeler or knife, but I'm just going to use the knife first. And cut around the stem. Cut a circle around the stem. And just put it in the peel pile. And do the same for the other one too. But you can use a peeler for this job and just peel a circle around the stem and the bottom. But I'm just going to use this one. Then you cut the melon in half. No, is peel the melon. And you can hold it like a pencil. You should actually, for kids. And please mind your index finger, because you won't want to see a bloody finger when you're cutting a fruit. And I'm just going to check my melon if it's all the skin is clean off. Then I'm just going to put my melon here and put all the peels into the peel pile. And now I'm going to cut my melon in half. And when you see your seeds, please make sure that it's not rotten. Now when you cut it in half, you will see these seeds inside the melon, and you will want them all out of the melon because they do not taste good. I tried it myself actually. It really does not taste good. And make sure your seeds aren't flowing over the melon because it will have a very unpleasant smell and it will be rotten and not yummy. And you will want the seeds all out. It is okay if they go over your hand because later you are going to wash your hands anyways. And I'll do the same for the other melon too. A circle around the seed like a guava. Then open up. And now you can just use your finger to pick up the leftover seeds. So now I'm going to cut my melon. You will cut it crossed. Like this. And you can just eat it like this or you can slice it. The slicing technique. And now you can put it in the plate, but sometimes you can cut it like this. Be careful, don't cut your fingers. And I'll do the same for the, why are there still seeds? And cut it in half again. And cut. And cut again. And put it here. And put it in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.